here.
I want to see this, guys.
And then this would go here. And it looks like when you air fry,
everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video we're gonna unbox the Cuisinart, and let's get it started. So
what is this?
this is a Cuisinart air fryer. Helper, can you get the plastic for me? Thank you much.
here's the helper.
Thank you, sir. Wave to everyone. So air fry, bake, convection bake, broil, convection broil, toast, and then a warmer. Also acts as a warmer.
Can you see it in here?
Sure. It's nothing but a piece of static film.
Whoa!
And there it is. All the technology is going to be up in here. That's why the base, or the top, is so high. So obviously there must be more pieces in there. Our tray, the biggest reason that I purchased this one was because air frying bacon. It said it takes 8 minutes. And we eat a lot of bacon in this house, right?
Right.
So anything that's going to cook bacon faster is going to be a big hit in this house, right?
Okay.
Right, helper? Instructions, you see, it shows this goes on the bottom. Yes. You understand, helper?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to see this, guys.
And then this would go here. And it looks like when you air fry, your air fry basket just sits like so. Like that. So you put your wings or your bacon or whatever. If you're doing, like I did this morning, tomato gravy or regular milk gravy for biscuits, homemade biscuits, which is a recipe that we did previously, then all the grease would drip right down into this tray. So the beauty of this is that no matter what you do now in there, whether it's biscuits or anything, you could literally put all of those on this rack here or in this basket, any kind of meat, and then it will drip to the bottom. Instructions say that this here, which is the pan I pointed at earlier, is a baking pan drip tray. It says it's included for your convenience. Use this by itself when you bake or roast. So all you would do is pull this out, and that would be the normal tray that was in our old oven, remember?
Okay.
What the oven is still?
So guys, we're gonna put a fries inside the air fryer,
And we'll see how
and
they
we'll
turn
see how
out. They turn out.
they turn out.
Steak fries. It says 1 to 2 pounds for 15 to 20 minutes at 450 degrees. The thing we're going to do, we got a scale here, and we're going to get, we'll probably just do 1 pound. So obviously there's 16 ounces in a pound. Everybody knows that. So we're going to put 19 ounces because the bowl weighs 3 ounces.
I will put right there on my plate.
Okay. All right, so we're going to put in, so now we're still, all right, not quite. We need to go with 3. All right, so this is exactly 1 pound of fries. Okay, so it says that we can do, would you like to do 2 pounds of fries? 1 pound won't be enough, you think, or yes?
Enough.
That's enough? Okay. So what we're gonna do is So we're gonna take this down. We'll take our 1 pound of fries and we're just gonna toss them about so that they're kind of spread out like that. My helper is helping. All right, we're good. So we're gonna go ahead and put those in here in the basket. We're gonna close it. And it says for 1 pound of steak fries, frozen steak fries, we're gonna turn this knob to air fry over here. And we're gonna go to 450 degrees, which is right there. And we're going to do that for 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna set it for about 18 minutes and we'll check on it here in a few minutes. Alrighty, so we put them in about 18 minutes. So I would say it needs to be somewhere between 12 to 15.
Can I try?
They're very crunchy, so they're overdone a little bit.
Can I try?
They need to be in about 12 minutes, I would say. I should have checked them a little earlier, but you can see that they're brown.
Okay, that's it, guys.